tasty over there. Today. Sydney, you won't be in it? Today, y'all. It's her birthday.
Hey, how y'all doing?
I'm about to do a bike ride. Everybody got their mask on. And yeah. I'm gonna be vlogging it. Elijah, you wanna promote yourself?
Sure, like niggas know.
Some custom value line, Instagram, Rich Poverty, Laundry, Instagram. Go fuck with those.
Hey, I heard him. Alright, y'all.
YouTube video?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, y'all, so it started. Y'all, I cannot ride a bike. Wait, one hand. Alright, y'all. It's been a little hot. Right now, we in the French quarters, as y'all can see. It's very much hot. And we're trying to figure out. Where we about to go, but alright. Come on, fine. But we just pulled up. We all just pulled up on these people. Alright. Hey guys. Everybody's just chilling. And we about to go. We stopped to get something to drink, stay hydrated. And I got some candy. Y'all, this is some of the best candy you can get. So good it. Okay, bye. Gotta stop because Cindy got hot. We about to go. This is Aaliyah. She thinks she cute. Y'all, it's hot out here. And I'm really struggling to ride this bike with one hand, but I'm gonna do it for the no, it's big. It's not that bad. I'm getting it, but come on, it's hot, y'all. I really don't want to drop my phone. I blew it by the rack. Y'all. The city girl. When the band starts playing. Just bend me over. Take for your nigga, you work for your nigga, you trap for your nigga, you
Speak too much pressure and I'm nervous. And a Jay-Z song was on. And a Jay-Z song was on. And a Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up. Show you all. We gonna party.
I need is the beauty and the beast. Okay, y'all, so I just woke up. I'm looking a little bummy, a little rough, but I just wanted to shoot an outro to the video and just let y'all know what happened after the video since we just stopped recording. So after that, we're gonna hit air. This clip is short anyway, but after the bike ride, we all went to the house and we just was chilling. Some people slept, some people stayed. And then we just had like play games, listen to music and stuff. And then the night after, that morning, everybody went home. So yeah, I'm just letting y'all know what happened. Today's Cindy's birthday. The video is getting uploaded today. So when y'all see this, I'm probably dropping this video pretty early today. Not all late like I usually do. So y'all go wish her a happy birthday. And yeah. And go mess with her lip gloss business. I dropped it in another video. It's Bougie Lips etc Instagram. So for her birthday, go shop her lip gloss and go wish her a happy 16th birthday, guys. And Yeah. Also, about where I've been, because I know I haven't dropped a video in a long time, and I was starting to be consistent with it. My videos, like, I keep saying I'm gonna be consistent. I keep trying to be consistent, but you gotta understand, I have a very busy life. Like, school about to start back up, this online stuff, and I got a job, and also got a side hustle, and I gotta get stuff done for people in business. Like, YouTube sometimes has to just wait because that's people money. You don't play people money, so I gotta get stuff done. And sometimes I don't have YouTube when I'm trying to get people stuff done, y'all, because y'all know I sell my birthday pins. So y'all go shop with me, Night Crazy Crafts, NAAKRAZYKRAFTS on IG. Y'all sell keychains, and I sell birthday pins, custom birthday pins, and I got a whole bunch of other stuff about to drop. But yeah, y'all, bye, like, subscribe, and I'm gonna try to get y'all like another video sooner than 3 weeks. I'm trying to get that video to y'all out by, like, I'm gonna say next week. And if y'all want me to do like a certain idea, drop it. But anyways, bye y'all.